diferentes.
Tengo 43. You lay 1,000 eggs.
Déjense atraer.
I wouldn't hurt you. Yes, you would.
Y pagarán por ello.
Oh, God.
Especies.
No se puede jugar póker con 4 personas.
A generation ago, the notion of transplanting strands of DNA was considered wild speculation. Today, genetic engineering is just another feature story in the evening news. Species uses realities of science to make the fantastic more believable.
The new combined DNA sequence was injected into 100 human ova. 2 were stored in liquid nitrogen, and we allowed 1 to grow.
And although we're a little far from the truth, there is research being done on how to inject actual DNA with signals in it to turn on a cell, turn off a cell, begin development, cease development, things like that. Although we're having a little cinematic license, we're on the right track.
In 1974, there was this message that Carl Sagan was responsible for sending out from Arecibo in Puerto Rico. This message that went out to the universe to potentially communicate with some civilization that may exist out there.
Species uses realities of science to make the fantastic more believable.
The fascination is that this could happen. You know, this could be, and I think that's what makes this film so interesting, is that because we know, we all know about DNA.
Something's wrong.
That's what makes it fascinating and scary at the same time.
Christ, it started already. It started already. Get the top back on.
What?
Hard press, get the top back on.
It went wrong because we don't understand the nature of biology or the nature of ourselves. And we assume we can control this world and that it won't be destructive to us.
I'm sorry.
I think it's the classic old age one is treat others, including other species, as you'd like to be treated. And that means don't extinguish them, don't prey on them when it's not necessary, and don't destroy their environment.
Sir, she's breaking out!
It may well come back to haunt you.
She escaped?
I mean, it certainly lessens the variety on this planet.
I think there has to be something out there. I don't know what it is. I wouldn't pretend to know what the hell it is, but I think there is something out there somewhere.
Intelligent life beyond this planet.
It's just a pity that there hasn't been better photographs taken of it, or more, coherent contact made with it, because it always seems like, they land in, on Gilligan's Island, you know what I mean?
There's something there for everyone. It's really good, and it keeps you on the edge of your seat. You never know what's going to happen next.
I think that they should land in the front of the White House if they really want to be known. Maybe they will.
There's a fascination, first of all, with the fact that this could happen. Secondly, it's a romp.
It's definitely going to scare them, a little bit, make them jump up in their seats, and it's going to make them laugh too, because there's a lot of tongue-in-cheek stuff in it.
You don't need these.
Oh. Hey, that's a little fast.
It's my opinion, but I think it's a very unusual, interesting, visceral, sensual film.
When you make this kind of movie, you have to accept the fact that in a sense, that the special effects that's the central thing of the film. That's what's going to sort of grab the audience and kind of make them not want to go out to get popcorn.
As you've seen, the evolution of species meant overcoming considerable technical and creative challenges. The end result is a film that will arouse all of your senses, and I hope you'll find it a thought-provoking thrill ride as well. I'm Ben Kingsley. Thanks for joining me.
saben quién está bien para